Hey, hi everyone. So, friends, I'm live now, and welcome to the 65th live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel. So, I'm going to wait for everyone to join this session, and also it's been a long time. I'm conducting this live session. Yeah, so I was fully occupied with the batches. Most of you know that I run batches in the evening, right? And yes, so the new batches is going to start. So today I'm going to make some announcement for the new batches, and there are so many things. So if you have, and also I'm going to tell you about our new portal. Now everything we are having with us. One second, guys. Hmm, um, I audible. Thank you, technical KH, confirming me that am I audible. So. Guys, I can see. I request everyone to join. It's been long time. I have not done any live session, but now I am live now. So you guys can join. There are so many information which I need to share with you. If you are going to join fast, then I can share quickly with you guys. Okay. Okay. And if you have any doubts or queries related to upcoming batches and all, you can ask me. I am going to make it very clear. Okay. Okay. So we are good now. Let me share, guys, my screen, and let me share the new updates for everyone. Right. So most of you are aware that now we are having our own learning management system, which we have been working for more than 6 months. Okay, I don't know, it's more than 6 months, days and night. Okay, and now you no need to worry about the platform, you no need to worry about anything. Okay, so it's fully learning management system. Okay, it is owned by Abroad Technology Service LLP, right? So let me quickly, this is the first announcement, guys. And yeah, you can see here. Are you able to see my screen? Can you confirm? Are you able to see my screen? Can somebody confirm me? Okay, good. See, this is a purely a product of a brush. Even if you want to go to Google, I request everyone first go to Google. Just type ABHROSH. This is the registered company. Also, I have told so many times, right? And right, so this is the one. Okay, so there are so many things which we have been doing manually, and this is platform or what, this is built by us only. Okay, this entire platform is built by us, means me and my team, my developers, days and night they have put for more than 6 months. Okay, and they have built a fully learning management system only for you. Okay, so this is one part. So you should not be, so whatever the platform we have been using before, those are not owned by us. Okay, and we don't have any control over it. Okay, but the main point here is that what is there. So most of you know that I run batches. That is 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. So batch 4 is already finished. Even you can see. in the bottom, I have mentioned, and these are live online batches. Please make sure these are the live online batches. Okay, so batch 4 is already completed. So even if you try to enroll into this one, okay, so it is not going to work. The reason is that the enrollment is already closed. Okay, so there is no enrollment for this one. So you can see the enrollment is closed only. So this is okay. So in the live batches of 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, we are not taking anyone. Okay, because those batches are already completed. Batch 4 is already completed. That is for 100 days. Okay, and again I am telling you, batch 5 is still going on, but the enrollment we are not taking, because almost 50% of, I would say, the course is completed. Okay, the course is already 50%. My voice is not audible. One second, guys. Can somebody confirm me? Am I audible or not? Voice is audible. Okay. I don't know. You check your Mr. Modern 9700. Good evening. Okay. So I think it's a issue from your end. Okay. So what I was talking about, guys, yes. So for the batch 5, it is already 50% of the batch is already completed. And you can see the admission, the current admission. Again, I am repeating. Okay, so the current admission is open for batch 5, and this is as per your request only. Most of you have requested, sir, please conduct the batches into like splitted form. Okay, as per the poll only. So now there is no 100 days of IT corporate boot camp. Let me make it very clear for you. Okay, so there is no live online batches of 100 days of IT corporate boot camp, batch, upcoming batches, because this is as per your request only. That most of you have asked, sir, suppose some of you have a request to only do the Linux and shell scripting. If you are from a non IT background, if you are from desktop support, or if you are from any other background, right? So they only wanted to go for a Linux and shell scripting, so you can go for it. If somebody has a specific requirement, only he wanted to learn AWS, so he can come forward and he can join this one. So but the AWS one is still, the batch has to be come, means it is coming soon. So the date has been not decided. Even for the DevOps is also separated. So now these all are, means in first, basically I would say, in 50 days of IT corporate boot camp, that is Linux and bash shell script. In this one I am going to teach complete Linux with RHEL 9, right? And even you can go ahead now. This is a fully LMS system, guys. This is 100%. Okay, so you can read all the topics also. So nobody is covering. I can open challenging anybody, if you go anywhere, okay, to learn Linux only for RHCSA certification, they are going to charge you 20,000 and all. But these topics are already included, means your RHCSA is also included in this one, your RHEL 9 is also included in this one, and the production troubleshooting which we do on a daily basis, all those topics has been included in this one in a detailed explanation. Okay, so this will be there. And then finally you see there is a bash shell. So these are not just 7 or 8 topics. And then finally there will be a real time production ready scripts also, which you guys are going to see during the live classes and all. Okay, so and even if you wanted to see the subtopics of this one, just click on this I button. You can see these many topics and all, guys. Who will teach all these things only in 15K and all? But as I said, I am trying my level best at the same time, so that, see, this is 24,999 is the price. Okay, if you are not but if you are going to apply this Mahashivratri coupon code, it will come down to 15,000. So price is not increased, price is came down already. Okay, somebody has commented recently, so I told him that price has been not increased. Either he is sleeping or what, I don't know. Okay, so price is decreased only. And you know about my course content, it is purely production ready. Okay, so if you wanted to join this batch is going to start from, see, the date is 20th of February. And uh, if you wanted to know this language which we are going to use in this, basically that is English. tests will be there, assignments will be there. And again I am telling you guys, please see, most of you are making mistake and they are sending mail, sir, my access, some of you have been taken, I know, recorded videos long back ago, right? But please read the terms and conditions, okay? But in this platform, this is purely owned by us. We do not provide any recorded videos, only for the candidates who are joining live online batches. Okay, for them only we are providing the recorded videos, obviously, because later on if they wanted to go through those classes, so they can go through those recording videos and all. Okay, so and please read this one carefully. If you are not reading, simply sending mail, okay, so that is not going to work out for you. Okay, please read the terms and condition very very clearly. And this batch is going to be 3 months. It is written 50 days. So you will be asking, sir, it is written 50 days. Arey boss, who will teach you continuously? So there will be mandatory holidays, public holidays will be there, right? We don't know when emergency need and all, right? So as per that only, this is the duration of this course, that is 3 months, right? And if you practically talk also, right? If I'm talking practically also, so how many working days are there in 1 month? 22 only, right? And how many working days are, so 22 22, how much it is coming? 44, right? Correct. So if it is like somewhere around more than 40 or 45, so anyways it is crossing 2 months only, right? So nobody will be in the edge and they will say everyday classes. So we don't know, sometimes I'll be not well, or due to some conditions and all, personal emergencies will be there. So by considering all those situations, okay, this 3 months has been given to this Linux and bash shell scripting. Okay, nobody is ready. Even I am hearing there are institute, there are instructor who is finishing in 10 days only Linux. You just think of it, what they are teaching in 10 days, what they are teaching in 10 days. Okay, nothing. Okay, that is not going to work out. And now again I am telling you, this is the best time. Those who are not going for these roles, again I am telling you, now you are hearing so many news. Anthropic, I don't wanted to say all those things. Even Sridhar Vembu recently, in the Mint news only I have hearing from him only, that boss, you start looking for alternate career due to AI, right? So this AI, I was earlier, I was not speaking louder. Okay, but now I am telling you very honestly, software engineer job is at stake. Boss, you have to find out other jobs and all. Whose job is safe? Honestly telling you, only these Linux administrator, this Linux automation engineer, this cloud engineer, this site reliability engineer, this platform engineer, this DevOps engineer, these people job will be safe. Why? Because anyways, we need these people to run the application, right? We need these people to run our data center and all, right? So still, if you are thinking to do Linux and all, so do it. If you are not doing na, so keep thinking like that only. Okay. So seriously, I am telling you, even if you are a software developer also who is watching this video, honestly, I am telling you, developers' jobs are at stake. Okay. So you have to be towards infrastructure side. And either that is not a case, but if you have to learn AI, if you are a developer, then you have to learn so many AI tools and all. But if you are basically from this background, if you are from non-IT background, you wanted to jump into IIT, so this is the best opportunity, boss. Okay, you come forward, you can join Linux and bash shell. So this is something, operating system cannot be replaced, right, with the AI. Because at the end of the day, you have to run your application on top of your Linux operating system only. All the servers are in cloud also, all the servers are running in Linux operating system only. Who is going to manage and maintain all those servers? Correct. So these jobs will be more and more evolving. We need more and more people in the infrastructure side. Linux engineer, Linux automation engineer, production support engineer, right? Site reliability engineer. There are so many roles in this one, DevOps engineer, but all starts with Linux, only Linux. But so this is why It is your choice. I have given you both the choice. So if you wanted to join Linux and Bash shell, where you can automate also, you know how to automate your environment, or also you should be able to do all Linux troubleshootings and all. Okay, then this is the this is the best batch for you. 50 days of IT corporate bootcamp for Linux and Bash shell. And how much? 15,000. Who is? You go and find out. Impossible, boss. Nobody is ready to teach you in main less than 20,000. Only Linux. But here I am including everything. Here I am teaching Linux. In this Linux is not a normal Linux things and all. Not some commands I am teaching here. These all are troubleshootings only. Production troubleshooting plus RHCSA. All the topics are here. RHEL 9 is there with RHEL 9 only. And then finally, how to automate your environment with the help of beginner to advanced level shell scripting. And I am also providing here the scripts which you can execute in your production environment. Right? Who will do it? Fine. So if you want to join, just go to abross.com, right? And even still, if you have doubt, even if you still have doubt now, because now we have a portal, this is our own. So I am inviting most of you, if we still in confusion, please click on these messages. We have added something for you. Okay, one second, let me come over here. Incognito mode, yeah, this will show you guest user also we have implemented recently. Okay, so you see here, just you click on this one, you see continue as a guest. Okay, don't register. Who is telling you to register? Don't log in. If you have any doubt, I know, because my previous system was like you have to submit the form and all, but things has to be automated, guys. It cannot be unstructured. So this is why we have built it. You come here, you mention your name. For example, I am mentioning my name as a Sandesh, or I am mentioning as my name as a Ajay. Okay, so you just continue as a Ajay here. Continue. See, it will be directory redirecting to Abrosh. Just click here and you can start messaging. You can mention like hi, sir, or whatever you want to do. Hi, something, right? You are sending as a, and we'll be answering immediately to your question. If you have doubt, even you tell sir, I want to connect with you before enrolling into the batch. Yes, I'll call you through this only. This portal is capable of doing anything. This is a fully learning management system, guys. We have built it only for you to make it things easier for you. Okay. First, come connect with me, understand your requirement. Let me understand your requirement, and then join the batch. Who is asking? And even the fee is also, it is very reasonable. Now, those who are still thinking that no, okay, I cannot go for it. So for others also we have given opportunity, because see, slowly we are making one product live, because it's taking time, guys. Okay, so now we have made this product as a live Linux interview question and answer. This is the same Linux interview questions and answer which you guys are going through my YouTube channel. This is the, and there it is hardly 100 only. So there, this where is that? Sorry, not this one. Okay. Okay. So this is that, right? Correct. So even you can go and see, right? You just click on this one. Array, in 1999 it is means who will give you 300 production ready? These are the really asked question in the companies. Okay, so you know, even if you are you, because see, current youth is like that. They want everything very quick and fast. So for everyone, everything will be there now in our portal. According to that, if you think that you are expert of Linux, okay, go ahead with these questions. Prepare and go for the interview. Who is stopping you? Nobody is stopping you, right? Go ahead and apply this coupon code. Hardly it will be coming some 1200 something, right? 300 questions are there. Only thing is that these are not videos. Obviously, who will make three videos? So in my channel, I have hardly 10, 12 videos are there. Okay, and those are under membership. And here This will be valid for 1 year. You have, again I am telling you, you have to read the validity. See validity, correct? So you have to read the validity. For 1200 rupees you are going with almost 300 questions. Curriculum, you see, just go here, these are the same questions what I am explaining in. See, question, how to set a username and password to never expire. This is the same question I have explained in my YouTube channel also, right? The first video.
Am I audible, guys? Okay. Sorry, guys. It was the system got restarted. Okay. So because of that only, it got disconnected. But I'm back again. You guys can join now. Yeah, I was talking about this only, right? Let me show you. See, that is what I'm telling, guys. Are you able to see my screen? Can you confirm me? Is my screen visible to you? Okay, just see here. This is what I was talking about, guys. See, so if you are already, if you think that you are expert of Linux, okay, you know everything. So for since now we have everything here, okay. So as I said very clearly, the same question what I have explained in my videos in my channel, okay. So for that you are paying a membership also, and that is monthly basis, okay. But here you have to pay yearly basis, okay. So answer is very simple and easy, and this is the amount which will be again 40% off. You can apply this coupon code over here, okay? And you are going to get almost 300 questions. And these are the same questions, guys, which I have explained in my videos, especially in my Linux 100 plus interview question and answer. You know the series, right? This is the series only, correct? Let me show you. Where is that? Okay. YouTube. What, my screen is visible or not? Visible. Okay. Thank you. See here, this is the same thing. If I can come over here, wait. Okay, these are the same questions, guys. Okay, these are the same questions what I have. Okay, see, which I have explained you in. There is a series in my channel itself, Linux 100 plus interview question and answer, right? And they candidate, there are so many candidate only going through that series, they got selected and all. Okay, so if you think that you are already expert, but I request everybody, see, this is a shortcut. But since all of you, whatever you guys are requesting, I'm trying to fulfill from my end. Okay. So being like now, this is platform is fully owned by us. So we whatever we can do it for you, we are going to do it for you. Okay. So in that case, I have uploaded almost 300 questions, and their validity you can check in the terms and condition. This is a request because you guys don't read terms and condition and you send messages, sir, my access is not working, so your boss, your subscription obviously what you are expecting from us. See, even if you for a recharge and all, you are paying 900, 700 rupees, very honestly, right? And monthly basis and all, correct? And here you are expecting, obviously this is a service, right? So correct. To build this software only, right? I have put everything into this one, correct? So only for you guys. right? But anyways, uh, so this is here, right? You just, and my request is read all terms and use before sending any mail to us. For the batches, see, individually we have given. For if you are going to enroll into the batches also, the upcoming batches and all, read this one, how many years of access, validity, videos you are, once you have joined the live classes, after that the videos will be uploaded to the central server, and means basically from this portal only you will be able to access, right? And it will be accessible for how many years, read it clearly. That is what my request to all of you, right? Without reading it, just sending mail that my this is not working, I am not accessible, it is obviously your subscription is your validity expired, okay? So service agreement, you can read it for services, means service agreement means what? So if you see this one, this is basically a service. Let me make it very clearly. This you see here, this is a service only, okay? This comes under a service only. If you see in the category, it comes under a service only. This is the batch 6, okay? If I can go here, okay, for Linux interview question and answer, see. See, if I click on services, okay, so these are the services, 300 Linux. These are still yet to be, because we are still uploading, these are not live. Don't go, and anyways if you click also you won't be able to buy, because still we are uploading the questions, okay? It is going to take time, right? But this one is live. If you are interested, you can go ahead and buy it, okay? So, and again I'm telling you, but better guys, this is the best time to learn Linux and Bash shell, because market is not good, honestly I'm telling you. If you want to save your job, seriously I'm telling you, okay, if you are thinking that you wanted to, because these are the roles only which companies are, there are so many opportunities for this role: Linux administrator, Linux automation engineer, production support engineer, cloud automation engineer, cloud engineer, right? DevOps engineer, right? Site reliability engineer, right? Platform engineer. There are so many. It's these all are security related roles are there, right? So take a decision. Don't wait to let something happen. Okay. So if you have to take a decision, take a decision, go for it. Even I have done the same thing in my past, when in our time there was no DevOps and all. Nobody talks about DevOps and all. Okay. But even we have learned, and then I have done so many migration projects as a associate manager. Finally, started from a DevOps engineer, then senior DevOps engineer, lead DevOps engineer, then associate manager, right? So you have to learn all these things. If you want to make a career in this one, if you want to make a career in the AI, boss, then you have to do so many things. Okay. That is also you are hearing nowadays what is happening. Even if I'm telling all the developers who are it's best time you understand your operating system, because all your servers, all your application, all those AI tools and all is running in some kind of operating system, and mostly you can say it's a Red Hat only. Okay, so you must very good at Linux, you will be very good at shell scripting, Bash and all automation. You should be very good at networking. That comes only when you know about your cloud build. And then finally all those DevOps tools are there. And now I have split it up, so you no need to go for a 6 month period. So you can finish all those things hardly in 2 months, 1 month, like that, right? So even if you go for this Linux and Bash shell also, which is having most of the things, right? So you will be able to finish within 3 months only. This is a 3 months duration course, okay? Hardly 15,000 you have to pay for this one, okay? So its decision is yours. Take your decision, guys. And if you're still thinking, then keep on thinking. Okay. So even you have hearing news from Cedar Bamboo also. People should start looking for alternate and all, even software engineers and all. Okay. So now see, my point is simple and easy. Slowly, we are uploading or updating, okay, our portal. So as of now, the current batch which is going to start from 20th of February, that is batch 6, and this is Linux and Bash shell 60 days of IT corporate bootcamp. Just click on this one, okay? The price what you see is, this is the uh, price, okay? But this is not is once you apply the coupon code, once you apply this coupon code, Okay, it will be come down. You see, let me show you only. Okay, if I click on this one, if I go to, let me apply, this is as per your feedback only I am doing all these things, guys. Okay, just copy this one from here, go to the cart, right? And here what you need to do is just click on this apply coupon. Just see here how much price is coming. 15,499. These are the internet handling charges. These we need to pay to the gateway and all. Okay, that is there. That's it. 15K you are paying for. Who will teach you 3 months and all? People are, you guys are ready to pay 20K, 25K. Even recently, I connected with one of the candidate. He's telling, sir, 50,000 they have taken from me only for Linux. If you are getting this kind of opportunity, grab it, go for it. Okay, and you know about my content, what sort of a content I teach. Okay, it's a purely, most of my candidates are having 95% success rate. Nothing hidden, everything is publicly available. You can go and check my content also in my channel, what sort of a content I teach. Okay, so decision is yours. Choose wisely, go for it. Okay, and that is what I can suggest you as a big brother. Okay, so rest is yours, as a guru or whatever, as a path, because I need to show you the right path. Okay, so that is there, and these batches are coming soon. The date has been not announced because see, my batch 4 is finished. So now the batch 6 I'm starting, because batch 5 is still going on. And those who wanted to enroll into 100 days of this one, this is, their enrollments are already closed. I'm not taking anyone. Okay, so this is why I was busy with. So now the new batch has to be started, but now it is splitted up. So Linux and Bash shell will be one, AWS will be separate, and DevOps will be separate. As per your feedback only I'm doing. Recently I did a poll also, most of you know, and you guys have only given opted for that one, right? So I'm doing this one, correct? And fee is 100% reasonable for you, right? So that is there. But if you are still thinking that you are expert of all of this, so soon you are going to get all those interview. Soon here database interview question also will be there, huh? So you can go for it. But in this case, these are not videos. Okay, these are the, you need to go. If I can open again, I am opening the second one. See here. Okay, so this question you need to go through, right? But if you are going to join my live batches, then you are going to get a live support also. Okay, so in the live support you can ask your queries after the class, if you have any doubt and questions, and the video will be also uploaded to the portal itself, so you can access it at any point of a time. As of now, we are not providing any courses which is recorded videos and all. Okay, we are not giving any recorded videos and all. Correct. I was sharing or not? Okay, I'm not sure. My screen was, I was sharing. Yeah, I was sharing, I think. Okay. So just go to this abroad.com, and anything is right which you feel this is the product which you want to go for it. You want, this is the best thing I would suggest, Linux and Bash shell as per the current market. Okay. These will be coming soon. So you can, and if you have still doubt, again I am telling you, if you have still doubt, just go here, click, mention your name over here, and continue as a guest. You no need to log in or register. Ask your queries. I'll connect with you. Okay, or someone from my team will connect with you. And before enrolling, if you have any doubt, you can ask your queries. This is not going to ask you anything. Okay, again I am showing you like Shiva. Okay, I'm mentioning Shiva, correct? So see, he logged in as a Shiva, right? Click here, correct? Now hi, correct? As a Shiva you are sending messages, so from the admin side I'll be answering, or someone from my team who they will be answering. Even I can call you. You tell me, sir, I want to connect with you before enrolling. I'll connect with you. It is not asking you any money and all. Okay, right? So there are, and if you are interested in the, and there are other services also which is coming soon, guys. Because now this is a fully learning management system. So we have mock interview also. We have career counseling also. Those services will be live soon in our portal. So you can go for mock interviews also. You can go for career counseling also. Every options we I'm going to give my companies, we are ready to provide you to make sure you should get success. And it's not only me, there are there are resources which I am bringing, 20 years of experience already working in HP, Oracle, big companies. Okay, they will be also coming and they will be also taking your mock interview if you are interested. Okay, those services will be here soon. But as of now, what my suggestion is, you can go for this batch 6, right? If you are interested, because some of you, I have seen those I have done those polls, right? Right, so you can go for it. If you are from non-IT background, you wanted to get into IT, this is the best one. If you are from desktop support, if you are from application support, go for this Linux job role, where you will learn automation also, how to do automation in your production environment, right? And this is the course curriculum which includes your RHCSA also. Nobody will teach this much. Okay, you can see the subtopics also. You just click here, you can see these are the subtopics for every topics of batch script. And here the validity of the course will be immediately once the topics will be finished, it will be the videos will be uploaded here only. And their validity will be for 3 years. You can check the validity also. See, it is clearly written validity as per terms and conditions, so please read this one. Okay, everything is in front of you. And even in your receipt also it is going to be the same, don't worry. This time we are going to put everything in the receipt only, because few candidates send messages, sir, we are not able to. Arey boss, subscription is already ended. And this is a completely new platform owned and managed by our company. Okay, so go for it. Join it. Don't waste your time, seriously I'm telling you. If you keep thinking, so you are going to lose everything. Okay, if you have any questions, I'm not well also. Okay, but if you have any questions, you can ask here. Ask question, no worries, guys. You can ask your question. If you have any question, ask here. Do you have any question related to upcoming batches, the services, or anything? You ask here, I'll answer. It doesn't matter you are from which background. I'm ready to answer your question. Career related, anything. If you have doubt and all, ask here. पूछो, क्या सोच रहे हो? हिंदी में बोलूं कि इंग्लिश में बोलूं? और मैं उन लोगों को भी बता देना चाहता हूं बच्चों कि क्लियरली मैं बोलना चाहता हूं कि लिनक्स, और मैंने ये भी रिसेंटली पोल किया था कि लिनक्स और बैश शेल कौन कौन पढ़ना चाहते हैं हिंदी में, वो भी बैचेस, ये जो करंट बैच, द करंट बैच इज इन इंग्लिश गाइस, वेरी ऑनेस्टली आई एम टेलिंग यू. The batch which I'm talking about, batch 6, Linux and Bash Shell, 50 days of IT corporate boot camp. This is going to be the language, it's going to be English, purely English. Upcoming batches as per the poll, because I have done a poll for that also, so I take decision as per your feedback only. Okay, don't waste your time listening here and there. मैं फिर से समझा रहा हूं, ना घर के रहोगे ना घाट के रहोगे, सीरियसली बोल रहा हूं. Because you are hearing so many news, it is not news, that those are the truth, those are the realities. The job which is going to be safe, again I am telling you, it's mostly from the so people who are from cloud side, who are from especially Linux side, or a automation side, basically Bash shell scripting or Python, or I would say all DevOps tools. रोल्स, जितने भी ये रोल्स है, ये सभी रोल्स सेफ है और ये ज्यादा से ज्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट होगी इनकी। कौन कौन से रोल्स हैं, विच ऑल रोल्स आर देयर वेयर देयर विल बी मोर एंड मोर रिक्वायरमेंट्स। मेरा ही साइट है, आपको पता है, मैं वी आर पोस्टिंग जॉब्स आल्सो इन दिस पोर्टल, राइट? करेक्ट। We are posting jobs also: lead cloud engineer, Python, Azure, AWS, Wipro, Google Cloud, DevOps. See here, मैं अभी दिखा देता हूँ आपको, लो देखो, just see this one. What are the learning today? Okay, what we learning today? That is what I'm telling you, the roadmap. Okay, so I'm explaining about Linux and Bash shell scripting. This you need to start learning. The batch is going to start from 20th of February. Modern 9700. It will be free classes. Oh, very good. Okay. Why you don't ask Mr. Radhe Shyam? Okay. You go to doctor, right? Why you don't ask to the doctor, can you treat me free of cost? Why you go to uh, anywhere? Okay. Why you go to any restaurant? You tell them, give me free of cost food. ये फ्री का रेवड़ी खाना बंद करो, ठीक है? लोग मेहनत करते हैं तभी कुछ मिलता है। पीपल व्हेन दे आर गोइंग टू पुट देयर, सो व्हाट आई एम गिविंग टू द कैंडिडेट्स, दोज आर द माय, इट्स नॉट ओनली, इट्स एंटायर टीम, राइट? You are going to get the job, Mr. Radheshyam. So I am going to ask you, can you give me your 3 months salary? You will not remember me also, right? Once you get the job, you will not remember me also, correct? That is what. एक बार जॉब मिल गया तो कौन याद रखता है अभिषेक रोशन को? यू विल नॉट रिमेंबर ऑल्सो टू ग्रीट हिम ऑल्सो, और यू आर रेडी टू राइट इट डाउन इन स्टैम्प पेपर, सर आई एम रेडी टू राइट इट डाउन इन स्टैम्प पेपर, करेक्ट? Once I'll get the job, you will give me right, or I'll give you this much. इंडिया में बाद में कुछ नहीं होता। There is nothing free, right? Because of this free thinking only, or because of this free, you go to gym, right? You, okay, simple question is there: why you don't ask to these big internet service provider, right? Or these you use a mobile, right? Why you recharge a mobile, right? Why you don't ask to those telecom company, give me this monthly calling free, I'm not going to pay you anything, right? Why you don't go to a cloth store, right? There you ask, give me clothes in free. Oh, wow, very good. Good. Where is this portal learning? 10 lakhs I put for to build this portal, my own money. Not only this, other questions, there are candidates who have been selected. Did Abhishek Roshan went and asked them? There are so many candidates who got selected. Some of them shows good gesture, some of them will show, right? So I'm not going into that one. I'm giving a service and I'm charging for that one. Straightforward, right? Yes or no? Nothing comes free, Radhishyam. Okay. So if you have done engineering, why you don't ask at that time? Why you have paid for the engineering? You have done somewhere from graduation, right? Why you have paid for that one? Why you don't ask to them that why you are charging from me? If government is ready to pay me, I am happy to give you free. You go talk to government that Abhishek Roshan is putting this effort. We are getting job because of his courses. You give him, right? It is very simple and easy to say. And whoever is telling free, go and check what is there. Okay, what content they are giving. Okay, my contents are already available in YouTube channel, and I'm a public figure first of all. Okay, everything is I've been not doing now. Okay, I'm a registered company under Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Okay, and second thing is under registered under MSME only, right? So everything is well structured process, right? So if you want to join, you can join. You if you want to know about my course content, you can check in my channel only, right? What sort of a content is there? Okay? You can join the batches. There is no demo class I give and all. Okay, I'm not like those who will say, "Come and join my webinar for 3 hours for 9 rupees. Come and join my webinar for 100 rupees. Come and join my webinar for this much and all." Right? Correct. And then later they will say, no, 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 you have to give this much amount. There is a hidden, but somebody is telling you in front of you there is nothing very clear, crystal clear. Then you are not ready to believe. Then you should doubt on yourself first of all. Okay. Means you are confused in your life, fully confused. Okay. Whatever I have to say, I say straightforward. This is what I am very transparent to the things. Okay, I don't say I cannot do sugar coating and all. If you are not good at something, you are not good at something. You have to put effort. That is the truth of life. Same thing I have done it in my career, and I do it with same thing with my candidates also. In my classes, you are not only learning the technical, you are going to learn so many things. Okay, what is the next question? What? Okay, so I think I have answered so much for you. At least few of okay. So, sir, I completed Linux system administration course. Could you conduct me? And yes, I don't know. Sorry, your name. Just please mention your name. So, your mock interview. The services is see again. And let me share here. Okay, so the services what you see, you just see after some time it will be live here. Okay, so the product we need to launch. Okay, so now this is our own portal, guys. This is a fully owned by us. Okay, so now you no need to worry. So here in the services like interview, question and answer will be there. So same mock interview is one product will be there. You need to pay, you need to schedule, and it's not only me. So for you, there are industry experts we are bringing only. Okay, I am bringing all industry experts like who is 20, who are my colleagues and all. Okay, and they have been working for more than already they are still working. I cannot tell their names and all due to confidential reason. This they you can see their details and all. Don't worry. Okay, they are 20 years of experience. They are already into the industry. Okay, so those people also will be here. You can take either you wanted to choose me or someone else also as per their profile. So the services will be live soon. Okay, don't worry. Vignesh, so the services will be live soon. You don't worry about that one. So hardly it will take because see, this is a completely new software which we have built for our own learning management system. So you need use right. You also know that it is not a small thing. Mock interview, conducting, making payment, and all everything is has to be scrutinized. Everything is properly right because we need to answer to the government correct at the end of the year right. So the payments and everything which you are going to make that is for to Abroad Technology Service LLP, right? So the process has to be very clear, correct? The software should be in place, and you should be able to book as per your schedule, right? So everything in an organized manner. Those questions will be exactly the same way what we ask in companies. Those people means either I'll be taking, or the other experts will be taking from you. Okay, so whoever you choose as per their availability means, so you can choose them and you can select and you can go for it. Okay, so that will be available soon, don't worry about that one. This is why we have built this one. Even career, even if you are not sure about that one, you wanted to connect with me for career counseling, now it is very easy for you. You can go for the career. And even now also, if you think that why to join this batch, if you have any doubt, again I am telling you, your single doubt also, I am not charging anything for you, Mr. Ghanshyam, Radheshyam, sorry, Radhe Radhe, right? Okay, so this is, see, even if you have still any doubt, I am telling you, just click on this one. Just now I have shown you also, right? You come here, you log in as a guest here. This is a message, right? You just send hi something, correct? Either I'll be connecting with you or someone, even I can connect with you, I can call you also. But call between Monday to Friday. Don't call on Saturday, Sunday and all. Okay. Call means basically do messages and all. Okay. Because someone from my team or I'll be connecting with you through this. This portal is capable of enough of doing everything. Okay. So you here you come and before enrolling into the batch, get your doubts clear. This is for everyone, right? Even I am not good today, but and it's been long time I have not connected in the live session, guys, because the batches are going on. Batch 4 is completed. Okay, batch 5 is still going on. Batch 5 will be completing by May only, because that is 100 days. Okay, so now 100 days is no more. We are not conducting any 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp because it's taking too much time. And I have seen, see, everything according to you only. You guys only told, sir, we don't cannot wait for 6 months to complete. But as I said, that is the best thing to learn everything. Nobody is ready to teach this much Linux, Bash Shell, AWS, and all DevOps tool. Okay, sorry. I'm not sharing anything. I'm not sharing anything, right? So I'm just telling you guys, okay? But now since we have splitted up the thing as per your feedback only, so you can, the time duration is also less, okay? And you can join and you can go for according to your requirement. Yes, Ansible is there. Ansible is there in DevOps part, Mr. Rajesh Shah. Okay. In DevOps it is there, but the DevOps batch is still. But if you want to learn Ansible, first you have to learn Linux and shell scripting. Why? Because SSH authentication will be there, and Ansible works purely on SSH authentication. So if you don't know the understanding of small thing of how SSH work, why see in Ansible is not a tool where you need to deploy any agent in your manage nodes. Okay, basically to manage your nodes from the controller node, right? So in case of Ansible, for that before you have to be very handy with your Linux. And why I teach shell scripting, because when I'll be doing the installation of Ansible, I use shell scripting. Understand, guys, it will be like this only. You don't know anything about shell scripting, you don't know anything about SSH authentication, you directly wanted to learn Ansible. And if you are 100% sure, you are most welcome. Anyways, now even because I have divided it, okay. See here, okay, because now if you go here, one second, let me close this one. Correct. So see DevOps, right? You go here, boss. Nobody will teach you this much. You see the course curriculum here: DevOps, GitHub, CI/CD, configuration management tool, right? Containerization and all, right? All this will be there in DevOps. But to come to this level, you have to go through my first one, this one, because in all this, I'll be not explaining Linux and shell scripting then. Okay, so you should be very good at very expert level understanding of your Linux and shell scripting, right? That is advanced level. Okay, so this is why I said if anybody is going, I am doing according to yours only, I'll be going. But if you are not able to understand DevOps, you'll be telling, sir, I'm not able to understand anything regarding Linux or anything shell scripting what you are explaining in this DevOps. Then that is your mistake, I told you, right? So better because my content is purely production based, project based, migration project what I have done in my previous companies and all. That is good. You are RHCSA certified and all. Then why you can't come for a mock interview? First, see where you are. I have seen so many candidates who are This is also I mentioned. Certificate does not make someone that he will be get selected only. Certificate is just a key to get filtered. Suppose I have 100 candidates, and out of that I need a Linux admin. So if you are already certified, okay, so suppose, so I can filter it out. So I am going, but you have to go through the interview. At the end of the day, if I have to hire you for my team, I need to know, right, how much you know. Really you will be able to troubleshoot in production environment or not. Correct. So that should be there, right? And this price is, and now this price is whoever is watching, not only from India, all over the world. My candidates are from US, Germany, Sweden, all over the world, guys. So if you wanted to connect, so for them also the course fee is same, there is no change in that one. So this is the best. So others, rest of the world is taking benefit out of my from my basically batches, and my own people are not taking the benefit. This is what I am just little bit. So I don't know, because of you guys are confused. Problem with you guys, I have seen most of my youth is confused. They don't know what to do. So if you are not sure what to do, then do a career counseling. First of all, first understand your requirement, and then go for, right. That is what. When you are confused, then consult. Did I am charging anything for that one? No, you come here, boss. You come here. You just click. I told you, right? Click on these messages. Send your query. I'll connect with you. But that is not a career counseling, honestly. For career counseling, in front of you only, will telling we are charging. I am charging for that one. Or for the mock interview, also charging is there. But this is, if you have doubt whether to join or not, you tell me you are from which background and all. Okay, according to that I will be guiding you whether to do or not, whether you are suitable to do this 50 days of 50 days of IT corporate bootcamp for Linux or shell scripting or not, whether you are fit for DevOps batches or not, whether you are fit for AWS batches or not, because there are some prerequisite guides. If you are going for these batches which is going to come soon, again I am telling you, so these batches have some prerequisites. Very honestly, I am telling you, I don't hide something. Those who sell, I don't sell. So these 50 days of AWS also has some prerequisite. You should be very strong at Linux and bash shell, then only you come for this AWS. And if you're going for DevOps, then you should be very strong at Linux, bash shell and AWS, then only you come for DevOps. It will be like this only. There is nothing hidden. I am going to tell you in front of your mouth only. And that is the job of our guru. That is the job of your mentor, right? Guys, okay. I think I have covered most of your questions and all, and I have explained about the new batches and the services which is live in our portal. And soon other services will be also live in our portal, correct? This I was okay again and again. See, this is what I was talking about. Okay, so this is I was telling, right. So if you want to go for AWS, the prerequisite is you are very expert with Linux and shell scripting. Then only you can join my AWS one. If you wanted to go for DevOps, then you should be very expert level understanding of Linux, Bash shell, and AWS. Then only you can go for my DevOps, because I don't teach some school, but what it is not something, okay, from a book and all. This is will be directly from production. Okay, it is kind of a knowledge transfer I do. KT in company we do knowledge transfer, right? KT. And if you are interested to go for any of these services, as of now, this is only live 300 Linux interview question and answer. Okay, so and this is live. Okay, which is going to start from 20th of February. Rest is your decision, guys. That's it for today. Okay, okay. Let me stop this one. I think I have spoken enough with you guys. Again, I'll be coming for the live sessions and all. Okay. If you have any question, you can ask. And again, I'm urging all of you before going for anything, read the terms and conditions. And those who are sending, sir, my access is not working. Sir, I'm able to. Arey boss, again, I'm telling you, your subscription is already finished, and we are not selling any recorded videos. This is a new, completely platform, right? This is software belongs to us. Okay, Abroad Technology Service LLP. If you have bought it anything from here, okay, you just send a mail to support at the rate of abroad.com and read all the terms and condition carefully. Okay. Okay. So let's end up the session here only, guys. Thank you for staying connected with me. Let's connect again for the next live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel. Till then, just take care of yourself, your loved one. Bye bye and Jai Hind.